So before on this gun, the O-ring on it was like leaking air, so I had to go to Harbor Freight. Buy an O-ring pack. It turns out I really didn't need to buy the pack. I just need to tighten it whenever I put it together. But yes, these are not rated for 6-gallon compressors. I already know that, but it's what I got. So forgot. Gotta add air. Still gets the dirt out for me. Cool. See now. Okay, next we got Kobalt Quiet Tech. 4.3 gallons. And it has wheels. And it has so it can fit in the trunk. Let me get it hooked up. So this is how it is without the compressor on. Maybe I'll do it with the other one too. And with this one, you can clearly hear it. Clearly. Even though it's soft, what I mean, bro, what I mean.